Samsung's massive investment in soundbars is paying off and it's mind-blowing. Impressive? Yes. Satisfied? Never. We'll always keep innovating. Simply put, we want our soundbars to deliver the artist's true intent with no distortion or coloration. That's what I believe is key to producing the absolute best experience from a soundbar. Some features are only made possible on a Samsung soundbar, like Q Symphony, when the TV speakers are perfectly matched with the soundbar speakers. When the audio comes out of both simultaneously, it creates flawless harmony. We can utilize up to 22 channels by even using the TV's top speakers. We can even extract the voice from the sound around it and naturally enhance it to improve clarity. It's just another one of our exclusive patented technologies. Genre recognition technology tunes the sound to ensure perfect fit to whatever you are enjoying, whether it's sports, music, or movies. It sounds awesome while you watch TV, or just as great when you stream music. All from a single soundbar. Nothing else is required.
Sound quality is not a matter of personal taste. There is definitely a sound that everyone agrees is the best. Sound design required an environment in which we can hear sound properly. Located in California, Samsung Audio Lab is a space perfectly crafted for sound design. First, we have two anechoic chambers. This is where all reflected sound is completely removed, literally making it a silent room. The only thing that's left is the sound produced by the soundbar. Here, it undergoes thorough testing under design procedures completed to perfection. We also have listening rooms that can simulate various types of rooms with a combination of acoustic wedges. Here, we conduct blind listening tests. With all these facilities, we persevere with our research until we achieve the best sound quality possible, objectively speaking.
Passion. It's an important element of innovation, and we show this through our many research findings. This is to get many people to trust the refined sound quality of Samsung soundbars. Over the years, we have published over 30 papers at the Audio Engineering Society convention. Among them, 15 were selected as top 10. Recently, one of our papers was awarded Best Technical Paper at the Spring Convention held in Helsinki. The passion and love for audio is reflected in our soundbars, and as a result, we have kept our place as number one for 9 consecutive years.